In this video, I will be doing some tidying up and some Easter decorating. This is my first video where I will be decorating, so if you like that, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, let me know that you like it so that I know to make more videos like this one. So to start off, I'm just doing some kitchen cleanup on Wednesday evening. These are all the bottles that I have to put together for our baby. It is so time consuming. I will say I do feel like the bottles get really clean because they are washed, completely taken apart. I do have those linked in my newborn necessities Amazon list if you are interested. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment. It lets me know that you liked the video, and I will know to make more just like it. Once I finally finished that, I emptied the dishwasher. I like to have the dishwasher emptied as soon as possible so that everything gets put in there and it doesn't pile up in the sink. I absolutely hate when dishes pile up in the sink. Once I got the dishwasher emptied, I took anything that was in the sink and I put it in there. Really my least favorite thing to do, but it has to be done. Okay, now we are moving on to the living room. You can find these play gems linked in my newborn necessities list on Amazon. That will be in the description box. The two play gems I have are very different from each other, and I really like both of them. These are all my Amazon returns. When I tidy up the living room, I am always folding a whole bunch of blankets because I'm always cold and I like to be cozy. So we have several blankets in the living room at all times. We got these couches a couple months before we had our baby, and we soon learned that we really needed to keep sheets on them. Sometimes I think, oh, let's not put a sheet on, it's fine. And then a couple seconds later, he will spit up all over it. So that's why you always see sheets on our couch. We're just trying to survive the newborn phase. I have found that just a simple tidy up like this every evening or every morning at some point during your day goes a long way. Things can get out of hand and overwhelming very quickly, and then you just never address the problem. But if you can do a little bit every day, that really helps. And now I am going to put a new sheet on the couch because I know if I leave it off, there will definitely be something getting spilled on that couch or spit up on the couch very soon. You will notice that the other couch has accumulated some laundry that needs to be put away. It's just real life. I'm not going to hide it from you. It's right there. And unfortunately, on this evening, I didn't get to putting it away. The baby ended up needing attention, and I just had to stop what I was doing and didn't get to finish. Now for the Easter decorating. I did record this over a couple of days, so if you see me change outfits, that's why. So for this video, we are going to focus on decorating in the dining room. I'm going to start by cleaning up. So I'm going to spray my Method wood spray on just about everything in this room. The dining room table is made of wood, and then it has these vinyl covers over it. I figure it doesn't really hurt to use the wood spray on the vinyl covers, so I do. And then I also make sure there's no crumbs or anything underneath the vinyl covers. If you have never used this wood spray, you really need to try it. I have it linked in my cleaning products Amazon list. It's almond scented, like I mentioned, and it smells so good. I have these 3 candlesticks that I use as decor in our wedding, and I like to use them just about every season for tablescapes. That is something I think I'm a big fan of, is buying decor that can be repurposed throughout the seasons, throughout the years. I have used those to make Christmas tablescapes, and now you're going to see me use those candlesticks to make an Easter tablescape. Right here, I'm just pushing these vinyl table covers back together. Sometimes we keep a tablecloth on the table, and sometimes we just use the vinyl covers. Dusting this massive thing, what do you call this? I can't think of the name right now. It's a little bit tedious because it has all these little details and nooks and crannies. It is beautiful, but it can get annoying. I originally got these foam eggs to use to take a photo of my baby for Easter, and then I thought these would be really great in my tablescape. They're so cute, they're colorful, and then they have this like speckling that's gold on all of them. So here I basically stuck my candlestick in the middle of this basket and then piled the basket with eggs. Like I mentioned before, you will see me use these candlesticks again and again. They were such a good buy. I've had them a couple years now and I use them every season. I think I got them at TJ Maxx or somewhere like that. Now I'm going to take this eucalyptus garland, which is repurposed from our baby shower, and wind it through the candlesticks, and then I'm going to add a couple more candles. One of the nice things about moving into my parents' house is that I can combine my mom's taste with mine. I am using a picture of hers here, and I thought it would be so pretty with tulips. Here is a tip for keeping flowers fresh. As soon as you get home, trim off a couple inches, cut on an angle, and put them directly in water. They will last so much longer. Over on this side table, I decided to add some eggs to a bird cage. There's a little bed of fake moss, and I just arranged my eggs in there, tried to make them look like they were laid in there. Not that that makes sense, but anyway. And then I wrapped another eucalyptus garland around it. I forgot to vacuum when I was cleaning, so here I am doing it at the end. So there you have it, our Easter decor for the dining room this year. Thank you so much for watching.